Hi, everybody. As we all know, this year will be impossible for me to hold this fantastic competition in Russia. I'm sure Black Sea Cup will be amazing because Yuri Ustinov is the greatest meat director I know. This year, we're gonna make two more big events. The Europeans in Astorga, Spain, in August, and the Worlds here in Portugal in Power Expo Maya in October. I hope to see you all competing in these two great events, and I wish you all the luck for the Black Sea Cup. And remember, Pro League is all about you. Thank you for coming, and good luck for all. See ya.